900 horsepower, 4.5 liter, and we also have a special exhaust on this, and the sound is great, nice and juicy. Push. Whoa! How do you like this Brabus Symphony? It's just like a toy for rich people. So now guys, it's time to start the drive and step inside the G900 XLP by Brabus. Not a normal one, as I mentioned. This here is the Rocket Edition. And how do we know it's a Rocket Edition? By the engine. 900 horsepower, 4.5 liter, and we also have a special exhaust on this, and the sound is great. So let's get it on. I have unlocked this car. Let me put the seat belts on, most important thing to do, and I will be putting the key right inside here. I will be first talking about the interior and then do a sporty drive, enjoy the sound with you and share it. Okay, first of all, let's do a sound check. Okay, switch it to Sport Plus. Instantly opens up the exhaust valves here, and now listen. Nice and juicy. Guys, how do you like the sound of this? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section below, but while driving it sounds way louder. That's what I'm going to prove you today, so let's get it on. First of all, we have a full black leather as a base for this, and when I say it's leather, it's a real genuine leather like you have with the Brabus cars. It's not like the Mercedes-Benz leather works. This is real leather. This smells like leather. Even if you would eat it, it would taste like leather, like real leather. And in addition to that, they have added nice chrome matte red finishes here on the aluminium part in the interior, which makes the car look, yeah, way more special. In total, the interior option on this is just very cool. Gives this car a very special touch because every single detail here in the interior is finished and Brabusized in the way they always do it. It's perfection. Every part is finished in leather. Every button is finished in this red chromish finish. When Brabus does it, it's like high quality job. That's what I enjoy a lot. So guys, would you also go for an interior spec like this? Please share your opinion in the comment section below, because I am in love, but I can't imagine driving this on a daily basis. But yeah, let's talk about the drive itself. With the XLP, the drive is heavy. It's heavy because you don't have the G63 anymore. This is a pickup, a huge thing. First of all, it drives like a normal G63, but as soon as you drive into curves, you instantly realize that this car is no longer a normal G63, because you have a lot of space and you have a way longer car than you had before. Plus the portal axles make the car way higher, but that makes the drive extremely comfortable. Also, driving above these speed bumps doesn't matter at all. It's like super easy for the XLP to take. Guys, something I love is driving it in low RPM. Listen to this driving sound. Look, I'm just trying to break it down a bit, okay? And now in the first gear. This sound is just to die for. I am telling you this. The sound of heaven. Okay, now we can push it. How do you like the sound? Oh, crazy! This sound is amazing. Wow. Okay, are you ready? Push. Whoa! Oof. Guys, how do you like this BRABUS Symphony? I just can't get enough of it. I just love to play with it. It's just like a toy for rich people. Costs around 700,000 euros. You can probably survive a zombie apocalypse with this car and also have fun while overrunning zombies. Imagine. I'm speechless. Downshift. Oh, I love this. The sound is just amazing. Downshift. You also have the BRABUS boost pushing you forward. This car, guys, keep in mind, is an XLP. It's heavy. This car is heavy and still it's pushing like a normal G63. Another downshift for you. Oof. I love it. Guys, how do you like the sound of this BRABUS XLP900 Rocket Edition? Do you think it's worth 700,000 euros? Would you also go for the same spec? Leave it in the comment section below. I can't wait to read your comments and your opinions regarding this brutal machine made in Bottrop. Guys, I will be back.